Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm creating this messy everyday look. So grab all your section and make a ponytail. Use your fingers because they create a messy look better than comb. Then secure your pony with a rubber band. Now divide your pony into two equal parts and start twisting. Twist the other section too. And now we will make a rope braid. We will cross both the parts into opposite direction. We have to twist one part in inward direction and the other one in the outward direction because it makes a rope braid better. Now secure the end with an elastic. Pull out your hair. And then wrap it as a bun. Now secure the end with the help of U-pin. Use more U-pins to make your bun long lasting. And now pull out some more hair to create that messy look, and yes, our messy look is ready. So this look is perfect for college, office, everyday kind of look. So this was my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you liked my video.